how to upload pictures on eBay? Stay tuned. I'm going to take you through each step. Hey everyone. Okay, so let's go over how to upload pictures on eBay. So I'm going to log right into my account. Here we go. And let's say we want to sell an item. All right, so we're going to go in and create a listing. Single. Okay, so for instance, we'll just go ahead and resume a listing I started a draft on. So just to show you how to do your pictures. The best way I find for you to have pictures to upload is one of two ways. Either prepare your listing draft and get it all done, put all your specifications in. And if you took the pictures with your phone, you can do everything on your laptop first, all the typing and everything that you would want to have a keyboard for. And then what you'll do is at the very end, you go down here and you can click it as save as draft. And then the cool thing, and I do this a lot, if I take the pictures on my iPhone, I do have a nice Canon camera that I use, which has the card that you can take in and out. And so a lot of the times I will use that, but if I want to do something quick, I just put it on my iPhone, save this as a draft, and then I can go into my iPhone app, and then I can just upload it. I can pull up that draft in my eBay, and then I can upload the pictures right there without having to transport those pictures by emailing them to myself or saving them to Google Drive or something like that. But don't want to get confusing, so let's refresh. So what I will do is, let's say these pictures are already saved on my computer. And when you're entering this in, this is how you're going to do it. So however you upload your pictures, you have it on the computer where you're entering your listings. Then you'll go to this photo area right here. So let's see. So this is the beginning of create your listing. You scroll down and you see here is the add photos. And I'm just going to pick a photo. I have some in here. Absolutely. I'm going to go to my imports so I can actually get a picture from one that there was one. Here we go. So let's just say I took this picture and so I imported it and I selected the item. I did that one a little fast. Let me slow down. So let me do another one. So let's say that I took this picture right here of this jacket. Let's just say that's what I'm trying to list. I've gone through my computer to try to find where I save my pictures. And then I'll click on that. You can double click and it'll pop it in, or you can click once and hit open. And you see it puts it right in there. Now, the cool thing is once you've uploaded these, so when you use your mobile app on your cell phone, they do have some features that are not on the desktop and vice versa. I like to use doing the different adjustments to the pictures. I like using my desktop, but the one thing that the feature on the mobile app has that the desktop does not is you can white out the background. Now, I have found not always do you like what the whiteout background looks, because sometimes it can look a little funky around the edges, not like a clean edge look. So I just take pictures on a white background so I don't have to worry about that. Okay, so let's say I have this picture here and I want to do some adjustments to it. I can click this button, and this one I can help brighten the item, the picture itself. Be careful. You want to make sure if you're selling something with color, which is probably the majority of all of them, the items that you'll be selling, that you display as much as possible the accurate color that it is. So like for this item, I know that it doesn't look like that. It would kind of mislead the buyer. And when they get it, then it's only setting them up to be disappointed because they may want a lighter color gray when the actual jacket is more like this. So we've got that adjustment that you can do. And I do use that quite a bit. And then this one, I don't play with as much, but sometimes you can use it to either define the background. So see how it's making the background of this a little darker or whiter. But the only thing is the whiter you go, the more distorted it makes the item itself look. So just play with it. Every item's a little different. Once you've done some adjustments there, you like it, then you want to hit save. And then this one I use all the time. So usually I'll use that first one with the lightning with just a tad bit. And then I'll use this one right here, which is the sharpening. And that one makes it look crystal clear. So see, see the buttons on this jacket? Look at the difference. So see, it's blurry, and then you can take it and it makes it nice and crisp. I'll even leave it this high if I need to, just because it makes the item look very professional, and it just enhances your photos. So I'm going to save that. There is one that I don't normally use, and that's this one right here, the auto adjust. I just find that it just doesn't really do a good job. So I don't recommend the auto adjust. This one is if you put the picture in there, and let's say you took your picture sideways and you want to turn it and rotate it. That's what this will do. So see, woohoo, there goes the jacket. All right. And then this one right here is to crop the edges. I use this one quite a bit. So when I'm taking my photos, I'm already trying to keep it in mind that I'm trying to crop the photos already. And basically that is the edges, the white edges from the top and the sides of the item and the bottom of the items. So see on this one, we have the edge right here. We have an even edge right here from here to here. We have an even edge right here. And then we have one at the bottom. So if you had a picture that had a lot of weird angles, so let's just say for this one, this will be a good example. I'm going to cancel out of here. And I have this one. So let's say I want to crop this one. This one has a lot of white edges. So see all the white space on this side and this side. So I can crop this down. And the cool thing is when you do that and you get rid of the extra, it pulls the in and makes it look bigger. So watch this. So see how big it looks now. So let's just say I crop the edges. You want to make sure you kind of keep it balanced. So and just click and drag. So I'm looking at the space between this edge of the item and the edge of the frame, this edge to here, this edge to here, and then this edge to here at the bottom. When I hit OK, check out how big it's going to make it. Are you ready? And then poof, it pulls it in more. So just some fun things. The only thing is just make it look nice. Take your time in the photography. Take your time when you upload the pictures and do a little tweaks, but don't take too much time on these. I find that as long as you do a good job with a clear background that's not dirty and it's not wrinkly and you don't have a bag of potato chips in the background, or it's not on some dirty bedspread or some carpet, you really want it to look, you want to put yourself in the buyer's shoes. If you came across this listing online and you saw it in that position, would you feel like you're getting your money's worth for an item? So you always want to present it the best possible you can when you're doing photos, because think about it. When someone's buying something from you online, they can't touch it. They can't feel it. They can't shake it. They can't turn it around. So your photos are a definition of that. Your photos are replacing them physically being in a store, being able to do that. So make sure you take that in consideration every time you take your photos. And then this is how you would upload your photos.
I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave it in the comments below, and I'll definitely respond and see what I can do to help in your individual situation. I've included links in the bottom of the description of this video, and I upload videos for you every Friday to help you to continue to grow your eBay business. This is Michelle with Paladin Global Market. Thank you so much for watching. You guys can do this. Have a great day. How to upload videos on eBay? Nope, it's pictures, not videos.